Yes, my friends, hope everyone is okay today. I'm going to what? I'm going to help us master the trading view. And I want to welcome you, everyone. You're welcome on this call. My name is Olang. I am a V4 of Royal Q, and I'm happy to connect with you tonight. Tonight, I think it's other people, it's tonight. For us, here, it's afternoon. So I'm so happy to connect with you. I'm going to go with us on Trading View, and then we know things that we have to know on Trading View. So let me hope everyone has Trading View. If you have Trading View registered, you have an account with the Trading View, it's on your phone, give me thumbs up. If you have Trading Trading View on your phone and it's registered, give me thumbs up. Justin has Trading View, that's one. Justin Cassidy has Trading View. Any other person with the Trading View? Is it only Justin? I doubt. Justin, the only person with the Trading View? Oh, he's the only person who can hear me. So if you can hear me, give me thumbs up. Can you hear me? Give me thumbs up. Yes, Esther can hear me. Wonderful. Esther can hear me. Other people can't hear me? Yes, even Stella can hear me. That's nice. So, yes, Mr. Kainda Osama can hear me. That's wonderful. So, Roderick can hear me. Wonderful. Wonderful. That's wonderful. Okay, my friends. Okay, let's now get started. Juma can hear me. That's good. So, friends, I want us to go straight to our trading view. If you don't have trading view, raise up your hand. You know that you don't have trading view, you don't own any account on trading view. Raise up your hand or give me thumbs up. I'm here to help you. Anyone? Yes. Anyone? No one, right? Everyone has. I don't know. But did I ask a wrong question before? What? Well, I said anyone who, those who have, it's only just in place. Then I'm asking those who don't have, no one is raising. So where are others for? Now trading view is all you need to trading view is all you need to make judgments or to make decisions for the market. You get it? So you might say, oh, I want to buy this coin. Then you are like, but if I buy it, will it raise or it will go down? Now, if it raises, which percentage should I put my take profit? Now, the other question you're asking yourself, but is it the best coin to buy now? Is it the right time to buy? So, all those questions, those decisions can be made when you have trading view. Yes, let me show you. Start with recording, forecasting with Jimmy. I don't know why I'm not yet around. Mute button, stop sharing. The mute button, stop sharing audio. So I don't know. Mr. Kainda Osama, am I allowed to share my screen? So like a few things have changed. I don't know. Can I go ahead to share my screen? Oh yeah, you can now see my screen. Wonderful, thank you. So the trading view is this app. This one you see. This one. Let me put it here. Is this app. It is this one, okay? This is the trading view. So you need to have the trading view app, okay? Now, when you open your trading view, that's how it looks like, okay? That's how it looks like. That is how it looks like. Now, trading view has a number of things. Like you can see, this is a watch list. If I click on the watch list, you can see those coins that I'm watching. Okay. Now, what does watch list mean? Watch list mean those coins that I'm personally monitoring. Okay. Let me remove this one. How do you add it to your watch list and how do you remove a coin? Now, let's say I want to remove this coin called red. I just tap on the right, then you click on this word remove. I think this remove. Then are you sure I want to delete? Yes, I want to delete. It has gone. Alternatively, you can just swap to the left like this, and then it goes off. Let's say I want to add a coin. Let's say I want to add a coin. Let's say I want to mount a coin called SHIB. SHIB. So I come here at the bottom of the watch list, and then I add that. I click that word, add symbol. Add symbol. Then I say, let me add my coin code SHIB, USDT. Then I add it. I add it. If that tick comes, it means you have added. I think it's down here. So I can tap on it and then see how it is. Comment in the comment section there, and then you give me any coin that maybe you feel I should add. Any coin you want us to add, comment in the comment section. Which coin do you think we can add? No, for me, I love training. an interactive class. Which coin? Does anyone need us to add a coin? Dime. Esther says dime. Okay. Let's say I want to add on my watch list a coin called dime. Dime USDT. Now you have to make sure that the coin you have, it is dime USDT. Even come back down here, that tethers US. Then the exchanger, you have to confirm the exchanger that you want to watch. I think dime in HTX, dime in Bybit, dime in KuCoin. There are very many exchangers. Get OI, Max. So it depends on exchanger, then you choose the exchanger. Let's say Binance. Then you have added dime. You get it? Now after you have added the coin, now like I want to confirm that now everybody knows how to add a coin and how to remove. Let's say I want to remove a coin called form. Click on the right, I click on the delete button. Everyone knows that, not so? So make sure you have a watch list, those coins that you're really interested in and you want to keep watching. Like me, I have interest in this peanut guy. I always prefer watching it. So hope that is okay. Any question on that? We are good to go. You know how to add a coin on your trading view. Okay. Then the other thing is sometimes the people who have just joined us, the things they ask me. So now, doctor, how do I analyze the market? How do I view the charts? What do this thing mean? Because when someone has just joined us, they look at the thing as magic science. They are seeing green, red. They even don't have an idea of what that means. Okay, so let's go. Let me just give you a clue of what all those things that you see on the charts, what they mean. Currently, I'm watching a coin called Nut Tethers. So this is the coin I'm currently watching, and the candles I want to see are these ones, the black and red. Sometimes I may need to see many of these candles. So what I do, I think these figures down here, these ones. When I push the figures to the right, it gives me a bigger view. The many candles, I start seeing them. When I push on the left, I see few candles, but now I can see them clearly. You get it? So it's up to you to adjust. Now, this thing, it's better whatever I'm doing, you also keep practicing. This is what I'm doing, and then you practice. So you can keep adjusting like that. So it depends on the view that you want to see. Then I think these little figures, these ones on the right corner, these ones. You get it? I can also adjust my chart. If I push to the right, I see very few candles, but long. Now, if I push down, I see many candles, but small. So you can always adjust depending on the field that you want to see. Fred, what if I want to push these candles a little bit up? So I think all this space, I want my candles to be this side, not down. So what I do, you just tap into the screen like I'm tapping into the screen and then I scroll up. So I think I'm moving my chart like that. Hope everyone now know how to do that. You can make the candles large, you can make them small, you can even see them clearly. Everyone can do that. If you can do that, give me thumbs up on the chat box. Everyone try that. Yes, Juma says can now do it. Daniel says he can do it. Shadrach says he can do it. That is nice. Rachel, you're not saying anything. What are you saying, Rachel? Can you do that? Or it is still a problem? Okay. Let's now continue. Okay. Let's now continue. So far, we can add indicate. We can add the. So far, we can add the. So far, what we can do, we can add it to our watch list and delete a coin from our watch list. That's one. Two. So far, we can adjust adjust the candles to see more candles but small, or to see few candles which are big, long and short. Wow, we are good to go. Okay, then we continue, my friends. We continue. Back to our chart. The other thing, okay, is understanding these things. What do these things mean? What do these things mean? Okay, now you see, my friends, you see, these things you're seeing, these ones, I want to call candlestick. This is a candlestick, another candlestick, another candlestick. Even this is a candlestick, and also this is a candlestick. Even this is a candlestick. Are you seeing where my arrow is? Oh, those are, we call them candlesticks. Fred, what do they mean? This one is a summary of how the price has moved during that period. Now, which period, Fred? It depends. Like for now, for me, I'm seeing per hour. I'm seeing this word 1H means the interval is 1 hour. So each of those candlestick means an hour. These ones, all those ones, they mean what? They mean an hour. But what if I want to change the interval? Unless I want to watch the thing, what's happening in a day. I still come here. I just tap on that 1 hour and then I choose one day, I think. So meaning the chart will show me every candle here will represent, this is 1 minute. I want one day, like that. Why is it choosing 1 minute? I want one day, sir. One day. So I want to adjust my chart. Currently, you know how to adjust your chart. Currently, you know how to adjust your chart. So meaning every candle, I'm making them bigger and more visible. So meaning every candle I'll see here will be representing one day. So this is one day today, yesterday, the other day, the other day, the other day. So every candle is showing one day. Now, my friends, what does that mean? Now, if I see a one-day chart like this one, it is representing what has been happening to the price of peanut in the last 24 hours. You get it? Oh, they can like this. what happened to this price called peanut yesterday? Then a candle like this one representing what the summary of what happened to this peanut on what that was what Tuesday. Okay, that's what this candle represents. Now let's go. Uh-huh. Let's what? Let's go. Now every candle has the open that at the end of the other previous candle. Let me show you. Let me get my arrow. I see. Like if we are analyzing this candle, the candle before closed at this price. Now immediately the next one opens. So every candle has the opening. So this can be the open. It opened at this price. The price was 0.1283. Now it also shows us that the price tried to go up. I think the price reached up these levels at 0.1318. Hope you can see the price. Then this price dropped. Actually, they dropped up to around this price of 0.1217. But the price ended up when the day stopped. At the stop of the day, the price came up to here. We call that the close. So now we open, if the candle opened at a higher price, that's 1.82, and by the end of the day, the price closed low, that candle becomes red. Becomes what? Red. That is a symbol that the price of this candle went down. Okay? The price of this candle went down. Just give me 1 minute. Just one minute. Now I talk to this gentleman. Hope everyone has understood what that means. So if the price by the opening of the day and the close of the day, the price have gone up, then we say that candle becomes green. You get it? The candle becomes green, and then we say the price went up. Okay, because you've seen a greeny candle. Okay, just a minute. Okay, my friends, I'm sorry. Hello. Okay, my friends, I'm really sorry. We got some visitors. So we can now proceed. So I was telling you that if the if the if the price opens at a lower price, and by the end of the day the price have gone up, we call that a bullish candle. Yeah, it is painted. It is painted. Green. Candelabra green. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you this. So it is very easy for you to see. Like you see, this means a green candle, mean bullish. By the opening of the day, the price was here. The price was here. Then by the close of the day, the price went up to here. Okay, this candle has not yet closed, but you see it's green. Okay, give you another green candle. Like give you this candle. By the beginning of the day, the price was here. Then the price tried to drop around here, but the buyers here were strong and they pushed the price up to here, up there. Then it closed. So this is it. A green candle, meaning in that day the prices went up. It was a bullish day. You get it? So I think I want to go very slowly such that everyone gets to know these concepts very well. It helps us to master these things very fast, and then it also helps us to make sure that we are not leaving anyone behind, because trading is fun as long as you know what the market is saying, because always and always the market will tell you what's happening. Okay. So let me know. Is there any question so far on those candle things? You know what these things mean? You know what a red now mean? You know what a green now mean? Then if you need me to interpret these things for you back in Uganda, I can still do that. You know what those ones mean, my friend? Is it okay? Can we proceed? If you want us to proceed, give me a thumbs up. Can we go ahead, my friends? Okay. Okay, no questions so far. Everyone is saying fair. Let's go ahead. Let's continue. We are good to go. This is our best training. Wonderful. Now, let's go ahead. Now, question comes. Another question comes. That trade. Mm, Now I know what green means. I know what trade means. So first of all, what do what is going up or going down? Or there are other things that I need to know for me to make a decision. Yes, you need other things to make a decision, okay? Because we cannot make a decision of either this coin is going down or going up just by seeing a 1 hour candle. A 1 hour candle can tell us what has happened in this 1 hour, or 1 day candle. However, to get a picture of either it is going up or it is going down, you need to combine many candles. That's why I first taught you the thing of what? Of adjusting the view. If you can adjust the view, and then you see a bigger picture. Adjusting the view gives you a bigger what? A bigger picture of what happened. You see, eh, all these words, you can see clearly that this thing was came out all this way, and then candles have been coming down, trying to go up and then coming down, and then currently a little bit stuck around here. There are no big moves. So the market is within this area. But it's between around here to here. So once the market comes down here, it goes up. Then when it goes comes around here, it goes down. So it's stuck within that area. So it can tell you what's happening. So that introduces us to what we call the trends. Introduces us to what we call what? The trend. Now trends are two. Their trends are three. One, an uptrend. The market is going up. It's an uptrend. Two, a downtrend. Downtrend means the market is going down. Three, a ranging market. It means the market is not going up, not coming down. It is stuck in a certain area. It is just ranging. You get it? If you understand those few dynamics, you're going to be a good trader. And you're going to be a trader who makes good decisions in the market, and a trader who is going to what? To impress others and is going to make good money. So, like I said, there are how many trends? Let me try to see if I can show you these things practically. Okay, I've just showed you one of the trends. Now, when you see, let me see. Now, when you see something like this, going up, coming down, let's do this. When you see something, this kind of pattern, okay. Okay, I want you to see this kind of pattern. Let me bring my arrow here. Now see, the market was down, moved up, then it moved down, but did not reach these levels. Okay, then it moved up and passed the levels where it stopped when it was going up. Then it moved up. Then tried to go down, but could not reach these levels. And then it went up. It went up, it went down, but could not reach the lower levels. Then it made another move. Went down, went down. Okay, if you see that kind of movement, you know that this coin is in an uptrend. You know it's an up what? Because you're seeing when it goes up seriously. Falling down does not fall down as to the level it was before it started going up. Then it makes another move up. Try going down, doesn't reach the lower bottom, then it goes up. Trying down doesn't reach the lower bottom, then it goes up. Those kind of movements are what we call an uptrend. The coin is going up. The coin is going up. You get it? We call it uptrend. So that is the best trend to trade. I'm now showing you another scenario. Another scenario is here. Another scenario is here. And okay. Now I want to show you another scenario. Now this coin is moving. But now when it falls down seriously. Okay. When it is falling down, then tries to go up. But when it tried to go up, it never reaches the levels where it was. Okay. Then it falls down below the level where it was before it went to go up. Then it goes up, never reaches the other levels. Then it goes down to break the other previous low. Then it goes up and then break. Now, when you see that kind of movement, we say that this coin, my friend, it is in a downward movement or a downtrend. So once you see a coin that is in a downtrend, you just know that this coin is going down, and all you have to do is to avoid entering that kind of a coin. Now there is another scenario. Let me see if I can get it. Let me see if I can get that kind of scenario. This is of course an uptrend. There's another kind of scenario. Yes. I want to show you this. I'm saying all the price is doing. Now, most times the price become enclosed in certain areas. Thing like this. Every time it was coming to these levels around here to go up. But now when it goes up, when it comes around these levels, it goes down. Then the price keeps on there. Down it falls up it goes down. Right? And it spends some good time in those. We call that a range. The prices are stuck in some levels. They don't go beyond that. They don't fall below that. So we call that a range. Okay, the prices are ranging. The prices are stuck. They are not moving up. They are not falling down. You get it? They fall down, cost more. Then so that one we call them a range. So is that the best price to trade Fred? No. You get it? That is not the best prices to trade. Are the first one I showed you, the uptrend. You get it? But if you really want to trade, you can maybe trade the range. But again, never trade the falling, the downtrend. Is everyone okay with the trending thing? Uptrend and downtrend? Is everyone okay there? If you're okay with it, you can identify the uptrend and the downtrend. Give me thumbs up. Like as a point of emphasis, yes, Stella says he can identify the thing. Justin says he can, Asuman, Simon can. Wow. Now, yes, even Dennis can. That's nice. Leader Dennis, the V3. Wow, we're happy to have you on this call. You're a very big inspiration to the game changers. Now, my friends, if I have to tell you that you can never base on just one candle. First thing I told you, you cannot base on one candle to see that, hey, this coin is going up. No. To see whether the coin is going up or going down, you have to see big candles. The first thing I told you in this lesson is to add just the view, the area of view. So you can add just to see that, to see very many candles, and then you make a decision like, this thing is going up or this thing is going down. You get it, my friends? Another thing that I want to go on sense of mm, let me show you this. The other thing I want to tell you, my friends, is after knowing, hey, I can identify that this thing is going up or going down. What else do I need to know? You need to know that TradingView has what we call indicators. Okay? It has what you call what? Indicators. Now, these indicators are good because they were designed to help you make money. They were designed to, to, to help you make decisions. They were designed to guide you on what to do next. If you learn how to use them very well, you can make crazy amounts of money from this market. I getting my friends. So I'm going to teach you how to add and how to remove the indicators because there are many. Actually, there are so many, thousands of indicators. I cannot devote teaching you one at a time. You get it? But as long as you know how to add and remove, you can go to Facebook. No, not Facebook, YouTube, and you watch. You learn one indicator at a time. You learn how this works. Then you practice alongside it, and then you become better at it. Then you identify like 2 to 3 indicators that you personally say, now for me, I'm good at this. Then you be trading with those ones. Trading is all about having discipline. Trading is all about having a commitment, having a plan. Trading is all about focusing on one thing that has worked for you, and you do it over and over again. Okay? I personally use a few indicators, but I've mastered these indicators. You get it? So now let us see. How do I add an indicator and how do I remove? Okay, okay, okay. Now let me remove these ones of mine. Let me remove them such that I can teach you now. So that I can teach you how these things work. Let me adjust. Okay. Now let's say I want to add an indicator called moving average because moving average will help me know the trend of the market. If uh, if the coin is going down, I will see. If the coin is going down, I will see things. The what we shall be trading below that in trading average, moving average. If the coin is going up, I will still see that we are trading above the moving average. You get it? Now it helps me make decisions. Now let me show you how to add. Now are you seeing this? This is a pencil, but this there are two lines with the what? Those two lines with the small circles on them. Okay, those are the ones. Now I want to look for this word called indicators. Now I want to click on the word indicators. After clicking on the word indicators, I want to go to technicals. Then I click on technicals and then I want to look for the word moving average. Moving average. Moving average. Now, there are so many moving averages. All you have to do is to learn and then you learn about the indicator before you start using it. I know our team, the Game Changer, is a good team. It has a lot of leaders that have mastered a specific indicator that have used it, that indicator for a long period of time, and they know how to work. So those leaders will be very willing to share with you their expertise on how they have used that indicator and how it has worked for them. Please listen to them when you get chance to listen to them and understand how that specific indicator works. Ask all the questions that you need to know, and then make a make a sound decision on which indicator to use and not to what and not to use. Is it okay, my friends? Yeah. So the other thing you need to know is that after you have gone ahead to find those indicators, all you have to do, all you have to do is to add it on the chart. One, sometimes you what you let's say I want to add this moving average ribbon. You seeing I've not been using it. When you're not using it, it shows there. But if I was using it and I want to add it to my favorite, I think this car star on the right corner, that star. So I can click on the star, then it will be added to my favorites. Okay. Now, if I want to add it on my chart, like I want to add this indicator, moving average exponential, I want to add it on my chart. So I come ahead, I go ahead and what? Click on it once. So down here to show moving average has been added to your chart. Okay. Then once I go back to my chart, I think once I go back to my chart, the moving average will show up on my chart, and then it will make me make a decision. Now, about just something small about the moving average. If you see us we are trading above the moving average, it means the market is in an uptrend. The market is going up. But now, like in these areas, we were trading below it. I say every time we try to go above it, we fall back. So that means that this is a downtrend. The market is going down. But when you see we are above the moving average, it means the market is going up. So, like at this point, like at this point, we are trading below the moving average, and then we got and then you see how the market moved up like 2%. Forget it. Now the market tried to come and reverse the moving average. There are chances that it's going to be rejected, and then the market continues going what? Going up. So that's a moving average. But today my role is not to teach you specific indicators, but just to show you how do I add, how do I remove. Now that if I want to remove this indicator, I think up here, this side up. As my pointer stopped working, I think up here there is EMA. That means exponential moving average. All I have to do is to click on it. Click on it once, and I think this delete button, I have deleted it, I've removed. Let's say I want to add another indicator called the ribbon. I say indicators, then I say ribbon. Yes, I want to add this ribbon on my chart. I've showed you how to add. This is showing a ribbon. Okay, this is not what I want. I want to, let's say, add. Let's say I want to add a robot that will tell me buy or sell. Let's say there's some robot that Sometimes I use this robot. Utbot alerts if I want to add it on my chart. So this one will give me the buy signals and the sell signals. But of course it can't be very accurate. So I then using it with other indicators will help you make a lot of money. So it will tell you at this point you buy, at this thing to give you those buy and sell signals. But of course you can't use anything before you learn it. You get it? So if I want to remove it, then I come and then I remove. Okay. There's another indicator. Let's say I want, there is this kind of indicator of mine. This ribbon, let me see this ribbon. This ribbon, This ribbon. That when it is when the ribbon is red, it means the market is going down. Then when it changes and becomes green, it means the market is going what? Is going up. I think keeps on changing green, then it changes to red, changes to green, to red, like that. So it can help you. So all these are indicators, but you need to find time and learn each of them at a time. Then you remove. Have I been understood on those indicators, friends? Have I been understood? Wonderful. Is there any question? We have 2 minutes. Is there any question? Is there any addition from any reader? Addition? Any question? I can be glad to answer the question in case they are. So show us. Mm, my friend is asking me. There's a question here. The friend is asking. The friend is asking. Show us how to put smart money concept. Hey, okay. Friend is asking how to put smart money concept. Smart money concepts. Smart money concepts. Indicator. And then there is a smart money concept from then I've added, I think, smart money concept. Then I've added it in the charts. And I think the smart money concept will be showing me. Shall get one done, then we revisit the smart money concept. But so that's how it's being added. Just look for it. Smart money concepts and now you add it on the chart. Okay. Okay. Hope I've answered everyone. Allow me to sign out. I love you so much. Let's take our business to the top.